Hi, welcome back to Move365. It's a bank holiday weekend. What does an Englishman do on a bank holiday weekend other than a bit of DIY? Click on the bio, go to the YouTube video for the full-length video. We are going to look at the sort of posture that you might adopt if you're going to use a saw. So, it's a squat or a lunge type of posture. So, one foot forward of the other, soft knees, sit into the hips, hollow lower back. If you're going to stoop or lean over to stabilize an object, then make sure that you're hinging forwards from your hips, not stooping over from your lower back. So sit into the movement, and with something like sawing, try to set the torso in a nice rigid position, brace your abdominal muscles, and just work from the shoulder in order to make the cut. Keeps your back nice and safe, puts the work into your abdominal muscles and into your hips. Hope that's helpful. Please, questions, comments below, click the thumbs up on the YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're here every day bringing you better health through good movement.